Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, This Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is all about the hair care product. It is a new launch and it's all about if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos on makeup, skincare, hair care, and lots more on fashion and beauty. This video is all about a new range of products from L'Oreal Paris. It is their new shampoo, conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner range of for particularly people who are having lengthy hair, very long hair, so that it can be managed very easily. So I think you got it right. Yes, it is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. So actually I am not a very big fan of L'Oreal Paris shampoo, particularly because I feel it has too much of chemicals. So personally I don't really like that very much, but it is good to give a try for a product. When it comes to maintaining a lengthy hair or a long hair is kind of a very challenging task. Why? Because as the hair grows lengthier, they would end up in having more split ends. It gets damaged, more easily. The ends get damaged more easily because we don't really concentrate much on the ends. So obviously maintaining or managing a long hair is kind of a very challenging task, but it is been made easy by this new L'Oreal range product. I would love to be very neutral. If I like a product, yes, I do like a product. If I don't really like a product, then I don't really like the product, because nothing comes as PR, nothing comes as sponsor. So it is absolutely bought my own money, so I can speak truth and what really I feel about the product. I think there is nothing biased about this product, which I want to tell was really super duper good, because this is L'Oreal Paris, and I don't want to say it is rather very bad, because I am buying with my own money. So it should be unbiased review on a product. To do a review, I think it's kind of too early for me, because I have used it only once. And to tell you the fact about today's review video, all of a sudden I planned is like, so usually I use a product like 4 to 5 times, and then I go ahead and review the product. Only then I can feel what the product works really, or how it really works on my skin, on my hair. Generally I'm not a person who changes my hair care product often, because I generally feel that personally that hair care products, we have to be very careful, because once you use a products which doesn't really suit your type of hair, and you will end up having hair loss, dandruff, and a lot of other issues. The two products that I actually got, this is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens No Haircut Cream, and this is their conditioner. So as I told you, I did not buy the shampoo, because I don't really use products into my scalp just like that, without feeling that I really like the product. Because so I thought, why would not I try one of this product and then go ahead and buy shampoo if it's really necessary, because I'm kind of happy with whatever is going on, so I don't really need to change it, rather, until and unless it is a very good product, if I'm not missing it out. So I thought conditioner is the first step. Why? Because I thought it's kind of affordable. So it is a product for 71.5 ml, and it retails for 99. So I thought it's affordable, so I thought, why not I give this a try. So I just got this from Nykaa. Then this was really tempting. I always love to use some or the other hair creams, hair serums that really makes my hair glossy, just like it comes on the movies and so on the screen. But actually it doesn't really work like that. It does not magic, right? So it doesn't really work that way. So I got that. Actually I got that. Okay, so I thought this bottle and the packaging was really very obsessive to tempting to buy. And finally, yeah, it is a kind of expensive product. For the amount, I think it's fine. But yeah, it's okay. give this a try. Yeah, coming back to the products, climb and packaging and consistency. Let's talk about all this. It is a usual L'Oreal Paris packaging. It's a plastic packaging and it has an orange and a pink cap and orange base and a pink cap, and it seems a little attractive other than the usual L'Oreal range of series, and this really looks really very good. And they do climb a lot of things, but let me be very clear on it is L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens Detangling Conditioner with vegetal keratin and castor oil. It instantly detangles with less breakage for the long damaged hair. So usually we have a specific product for specific hair type and skin type. So same thing, we have a lot of products from L'Oreal. It says that it is anti-hair fall range, it is anti-dandruff range, and it is for the colored hair range. So this is something for the long damaged hair. So I have seen many of them who have a long hair have a very rough ends, and I do really feel that they don't take care of the ends like they take care of the scalp. So as you know, there will be new growth in your scalp, so obviously it may look really healthy, but when your hair is growing old and it's at the end, and obviously it is not taken care, and it really ends up having breakage, split ends and damage, so you obviously have to give a cut. So instead of avoiding that, you can use this is what the climb is all about. And yeah, that's it about the packaging and the climbs. They do have vegetal keratin and castor oil. They do have a small detail on what type of ingredients have been used. Most of all, this is nothing like, they haven't climbed anything like it's paraben free, sulfate free and all that. What it climbs, see, it says that our detangling conditioner instantly detangles your hair. Now you can shake your hair, twist it, tie it, untie it while reducing breakage. Don't let tangle win. So our formula is enriched with cocktail of vegetal keratin, vitamin and castor oil. It helps to reconstitute your hair to the tips, leave your hair stronger, nourish, give shine to your hair, and to keep it going. So this is what the climb is all about in the conditioner. So I used the conditioner yesterday and I really felt it was kind of a really nice touch and feel of the product. I mean touch and feel of my hair after using the conditioner. I generally use Garnier conditioner. That is my all-time favorite. I think this is a good product if you are looking out for something affordable at the same time which really works on your frizz and unmanageable rolly hair. Then this is a good try. You can go ahead and buy it and you can give this a try. I personally felt it was really nice. I don't really feel all the hair care products are really working on us, and I don't really feel they actually does the work on what they claim. But this time I think I'm surprised by the product. Okay, this is like most of the conditioner really does work and do actually what they claim to have, and they do a really good job. For me, like, Garnier has been doing a very good job from a very long time. That it is a L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens No Haircut Cream and leave-in conditioner, strengthens the lens and tips. And yeah, the no haircut cream protects your hair from the two main enemies, that is the breakage, split ends. Its reconstructing formula, cocktail of vegetal keratin, vitamins and castor oil, seals its length and strengthens hair shine and makes the hair easier to style. It helps to keep your hair as long as you wish. The no haircut is also perfect to use just before the hair dryer or a straightener, as it offers heat protection up to 180 degrees Celsius. So coming to the packaging of this product, it is a very nice round bottle with this kind of a nozzle. If you just lift this and the product comes out of this when you just pump it out. And yeah, so this is actually a 200 ml product and retails for $4.99, and it has a shelf life of 3 years to use heat about 180 degrees Celsius. So I have heated up the, so I'm gonna keep it for 180 degree. Yeah, if you could see it. So I have set this and it's getting heated. So this side is a style side. So I applied the cream and I did off camera because I was not really the idea of shooting. So all of a sudden when it really worked, I couldn't control the thoughts of sharing my experience with you guys. So I thought I will do the other side. This is the nozzle, and you're just supposed to lift it like this, and you just squeeze it up, and you will end up having the cream on your palm. So I'm just taking a little bit. I already used it, but to just demonstrate for you guys, I'm going to apply it once again. So I'm going to use it on the right side because I didn't do it on the right side. So yeah. So I have applied the cream, and yeah, I'm just going to, I usually use a big tooth comb or a brush just to avoid hair breakage. And yeah. So this is how my hair looks like after I used the leave-in conditioner and styled my hair. I think I like it. Yeah, for the first time I have never felt my hair so nice after using such leave-in conditioners. All becomes very sticky, oily, and but for the first time I really felt like the volume, the texture of the hair is improved. Even after I used heat, it really gave that real nice soft and silkiness in my hair. So I think you can give this a try if you really want, if you are really facing problems with frizzy hair and unmanageable hair. I think you to surely give you a big hand. For me personally, I felt this product really worked, so I would surely recommend, and you can really go ahead and try if you love the product. If it's kind of affordable. I think it has a shelf life of 3 years, and you just need a little bit amount. If you have a long hair, only you run through the lens. You can give 2 pumps max, and just rub it in your palm, and just run through your length of the hair, and then do styling, or just comb your hair and brush your hair, and then you're done to go. So it makes your hair more manageable. It doesn't appear oily, it doesn't really sticky, and it smells great, guys. You won't believe me if someone comes near you. It's just like hairspray or perfume, but it's not overwhelming though. But it's a very, very nice and pleasant smell. I loved it. And yeah, it's just like a butter, chocolatey shea butter, cocoa butter kind of fragrance, which is so nice, and which is really pleasant and calming. And yeah, I think you can have a good hair day with this L'Oreal Paris Dream Length no haircut cream for long hair. And doesn't mean that it's only for long hair. Anyone who love to run through this lens and keep your hair split ends healthy, I mean your ends healthy without split ends, then this is a product you surely work for you. Try this out and let me know in my comment section that if you like this product. Of course I did surely like this product, and it did really work as a magic for me. So I would surely love to use this product in my future hair care routine if I really want my hair look more manageable and glossy and silky. Yes, surely I would love to use this product. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope this review must have been useful if you're going ahead and buying this product from the L'Oreal Paris, the Dream Lens, particularly for the long hair. And I personally felt both this product which I got today is a good deal, because it really worked on my hair. So I would surely recommend, if you are really having unruly, unmanageable, frizzy hair, surely will give you a good result if you are using it to your length of your hair. Be careful when you're using new products onto your skin or hair. Just do a patch test before getting our hands on it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such review videos on the new products and makeup tutorials, and lots more about the beauty and skincare. And stay tuned for lots of other lipstick swatches onto my channel. Until next time, it's Divya signing off.